Hi everyone, this is Ruby Parekh from Chocolatey Cakes Cooking and Baking Classes. Today we have conducted ready to cook breakfast premixes making workshop, and then instant breakfast making we taught. These are the dishes which we taught in workshop with homemade, chemical free, natural, without preservative premixes. I just show you one by one what we taught in workshop. Just have a look. These are gulab jamun. We made first gulab jamun premix and then we taught gulab jamun making in workshop. If you make gulab jamun premix at home previously, then gulab jamun making will take hardly 10 minutes. It is very easy recipe now. And this is instant moong dal halwa. We made moong dal halwa premix and then we made moong dal halwa with this premix. And this is our pizza thepla, varieties of theplas we taught, Gujarati theplas. And this is our palak cheese thepla. You can see the premix along with the thepla. We made premixes first and then we made theplas. We didn't add any color in this. These are natural colors. We taught how to dehydrate the vegetables also, like quick methi, dhania, palak, each and every kind of like gajar, matar, each and every types of vegetable, how to dehydrate quickly without wasting time, like in few minutes, 5 or 10 minutes में आप कैसे dehydrate करेंगे, that also we taught. And these all are pure like without color added recipes. And this is our tomato thepla and this is methi thepla and this is our nylon khamman. You can look at the texture, these are super soft. And this is our rava dhokla. We made rava dhokla premix and then rava dhokla we made instant besan dhokla premix and then we made besan dhokla. Now you can add just water in dhokla premix and you can make whenever you want. This is jalebi. Jalebi premix we taught, and whenever you want to eat jalebi, just dilute batter, like just mix water and make jalebi whenever you want. And this is our instant upma with homemade upma premix. And this is our pongal with homemade pongal mix. And this is our biryani with homemade biryani premix. And this is our sambar with homemade sambar premix. And these are varieties of chutney. This is our Mysore chutney with Mysore chutney premix, homemade premix we made, and then we taught Mysore chutney making. Then this is South Indian chutney. This is our green chutney. This is meathi chutney. You can see meathi chutney. And this is coconut chutney. These all chutney premixes we made and then we made chutneys. Then this is dosa we made in workshop, and these are mendu vadas. Mendu vada premix is here. We made mendu vada premix, then we made mendu vada. And then uttapam, then moong dal chilla. Each and every recipe first हमने premix बनाया है और then हमने वो सारी dishes बनाई है. And these are paniyaram. And this is wheat dosa. Whenever you want, just dilute water and make dosa, and you can see the perfection of dosas also. And these are instant crispy toast. These are restaurant style idlis and layered chilla and poha premix and poha making, that you can carry in traveling as well. Just carry this premix, and whenever you want, just add hot water and your poha will be ready. Same this way we made vermicelli also. This also you can carry in traveling. And then we made tea premix and made tea with that. And this is our chocolate shake premix and made chocolate shake with that. And this is our coffee premix, and then we made coffee. And this is our thandai premix, and then we made thandai. Almost 35 different kind of premixes we made, and then we made these 35 dishes in approx 6 hours session. This session is available in online. If you want, please contact on 9974065440. 60 plus courses we have in Vadodara, Gujarat. Out of them, approx 50 plus courses we have in online. For details, please contact Thank you.